world. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Wait a minute, one sec. There we go. Now in the Christmas spirit. So today I want to make some candy canes to put out in the front yard. I'm going to have a little piece of a 1/4 inch thick plywood by 24 by 24. So let's get to the build. Alright, so I'm going to start by making the candy cane, trace it out. I'm going to use this bucket to get the rounded part. Alrighty. Quick cross cut. Just going to make a straight line all the way to the end of the piece of wood. Alright, connect it with my arc. Now I wanted to see how thick I can get it, or how wide. So I got my little straight edge here. And I was thinking about doing 1.5 inches. About 1.5 inches, maybe 1 3/4. Yeah, 1 3/4 wide. Give me a nice candy cane. Mark that right there. Right now I'm going to take my digital caliper and measure up to 1 3/4. See if I can do a scribe all the way. Let's see, 1 3/4. There we go. Lock that in. Alrighty. Got the pretty much the arc right here. I'm going to trace it out with the pencil. Now I'll take my ruler, 1 3/4. I think I'm going to extend this just a little bit. So I'm going to cut this out with the jigsaw. Use the AccuCut. Cut that. Do that first. Cut the straightest part as much as I can. So now I'm going to take the Dremel and round over the edges of the candy canes. Then I'll paint them. So I use this little sander on my Dremel. Alrighty, so the white has dried. I am now going to tape off and do a red stripe for the candy cane. So I'm going to use some of this blue painter's tape. That should be good, right? The red paint is now dry. Let's peel off the blue tape. And here we have it, candy canes. Right now we're going to put the stakes. Right now I'm going to drill in the center of this so I can screw them together. I'm going to use the Dremel or drill bit. Add some Type on 3 ultimate glue, waterproof, just a little bit. So I have this arrow staple gun, and I'm gonna take these little rods I have here, put them on these here, and staple them in, and then put it out on the ground. Let's load up the staple gun. There we go. Stick that in the ground. I have this old bow here. I'm going to tie it on in the center to hide the screw. Just like that. There you have it. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. So on Christmas, I'm going to have a video come out at night after everyone's opened up their presents, because I have one that I'm making, and I have a video that I'm doing for that. So I'll have a special video on Christmas Day, that evening most likely. So again, thank you everybody for watching, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.